Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a fascinating piece of technology, the Mini 5 Thruster Underwater 4K drone. This isn't your average drone. It's designed specifically for exploring the underwater world, and it packs some impressive features into its relatively compact size, measuring in at about 8.9 by 3.5 by 15 inches. One of the standout features is its 4K Ultra HD camera. For anyone looking to capture the beauty beneath the surface, this camera promises breathtaking underwater footage. Imagine the clarity and detail you can get of marine life or submerged landscapes. Paired with that is a substantial 100-meter tether. This allows for extensive exploration depths, giving users the ability to reach areas that would be difficult or impossible to access otherwise, opening up a whole new dimension of underwater discovery. Maneuverability is key for an underwater vehicle, and this drone addresses that with 5 thrusters. This configuration provides superior control and stability in the water, allowing for precise movements whether you're navigating tight spots or holding position to get the perfect shot. Controlling the drone is made easy with an intuitive wireless controller. This simple interface means less time fumbling with controls and more time focusing on the exploration and filming. Powering these explorations is a long-lasting battery. Extended battery life is crucial for underwater drones, as retrieving and recharging can be inconvenient. This feature ensures users can enjoy longer dive times and capture more footage on a single charge. The drone comes in a bright yellow color, making it visible underwater. Included in the package are the essentials: the remote control, the battery, the camera itself, and even the necessary screws. Connectivity is handled via USB, likely for data transfer or charging. The camera also features a zoom lens, adding versatility to your underwater videography, allowing you to get closer shots without physically moving the drone. Overall, this drone seems designed for portable excellence, offering serious capabilities for underwater enthusiasts and professionals alike.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.